Good evening and welcome to another Map Business Online video presentation. Today we're going to talk a little bit about calculated columns. You can see I've got my county selected in the background here, and if I look at demographic data as an example, we've got a variety of demographic data sets included in Map Business Online, and you'll notice that if we look at population, we have age brackets. So you have 45 to 49, 50 to 54 years. What if you want a group of that, like say 65 and older, all in one column so that you can work that into a demographic map? Well, it can be done in Map Business Online, so you can do calculated columns. And in this way, I don't really need that particular view, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to hover over in the Map and Data tab. I'm going to hover over my county layer, click Edit Map Properties, click Manage Calculated Data Columns, and then we're going to select Add a Data Column, which brings us right into our demographic data. Now, if you'd imported some data, it would be there as well. But we're going to go down to our age. You can see right there we've got population and the various ages. So let's start with 65 to 69. I'm not quite there yet. And 70 to 74 and 70 to 79. And everybody's favorite 80 to 84-year-olds and 85 and older. So now we've selected all the different layers that we're interested in consolidating into this particular layer, and we're going to click Add the Data Column. And then we're going to go in and edit that new column and give it a new name. Let's call it 65 plus, an innovative name. And then we're going to change the data column. And now we're going to get out of that. So now we're getting out of the map and data window. We're going back into our color coding process, selecting counties. And when we do our drop down, instead of picking demographic data or general, we're going to pick calculated. And there it is, 65 plus is just waiting for us there. So we can then change our range if we want to. And let's say we're not interested in any counties that have less than 500 old duffers, and we'll move that up to 2,500, and then we'll go 2,501 up to 25,000. Imagine a county with 25,000 older people, and then we're going to go into 100. We'll make it 75,000. A county where I'll probably be living someday soon. And then I can go in and change the colors if I want to. I could make it, totally different colors, or I could make it gradations of one color. So there's a lot of different ways you can kind of skin the cat and make it so that your sweet spot, maybe your sweet spot's 2,500, 25,000, that shows up on the map in a way that works for you. Go to Map Business Online and take our free trial. Thanks very much for your time today.